Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Sony SRS-XB100. Now this is one of Sony's brand new portable Bluetooth speakers. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $59.99. Now shout out to Sony for sponsoring this video. Let's get right into it. Now this speaker comes in 4 different colors. You got black, blue, light gray, and orange. It's super compact with big sound. It's IP67 dust and water resistant with a special UV coating for extra durability. Now you got a passive radiator, sound diffusion processor, and off-center diaphragm design. That's going to give you amazing sound from this small package. Now you got echo canceling mic. That's going to give you crystal clear phone calls. You got Google Fast Pair and stereo pairing. That means you can pair 2 of these together wirelessly. The battery life on this is 16 hours on a single charge. You got USB Type-C charging. The speaker weighs 0.6 pounds. You got a multi-way strap. And it's compatible with the Sony Music app that's available for Android and iOS. All right, so all of that for $59.99. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White shoes,
my white shoes.
calm down. All right, so here's what you get in the box. You're gonna get your user's manual, and you get your USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. All right, so now let's take a closer look at the actual speaker. Now on the top, you can see your speaker grill with the speaker underneath. Got a multi-way strap, so this way you can hook this onto your bike or your bag or wherever you want. Little Sony branding, nice textured feel on this. On the bottom, you got a nice rubber stopper that's going to keep it in place. And here's all your controls. So you got your power on and off, your Bluetooth pairing button. You got play and pause, skip and reverse tracks. This will also answer and end phone calls. And you got volume up and down. Now you got a little flap right here. If you open this up, here's your USB Type-C charging slot. And remember, this speaker weighs 0.6 pounds. So you can easily carry this around. Now on a side note, even though this is a sponsored video, this is one of those products that I can personally recommend. Check this out. Here's a picture of my office upstairs. And if you zoom in, you see I keep my little Sony speakers on deck. These are perfect to have with your laptop or your tablet. And if you work from the house, you can use this as a speakerphone. Let's go ahead and pair them up. All right, so here's a quick look at the Sony Music app, which is available for Android and iOS. Now, once you pair up your speaker, it's going to show you the name of your speaker, your Bluetooth connection, and your battery percentage. Now, I got all of my different streaming services, and I can also raise or lower the volume. Simple and straightforward. All right, so now let's do a little sound test. We're going to start off at maximum volume. Here we go. Okay, now one thing I want to point out, this speaker sounds great, but when you put it on the table, you get more of that bass. So if it's hanging on your bag like this, it's going to sound amazing. But when you lay it on a flat surface, you're going to feel that bass. And that's one of the things that I love about these little Sony speakers. You have a nice amount of bass. Check this out. right, so now let's test out the buttons. You got your power on and off and your Bluetooth button. Single press for play and pause. Okay, that'll also answer and end phone calls. Double press to skip to the next song. And triple press to go to the previous track. Now you also got volume up and down. So all of the touch controls work. All right, so now let me test out one of my favorite features, the built-in speakerphone. Let me call up my girl real quick. Okay. Sony SRS-XB100. We got maximum volume.
Hello.
Hi, girlie.
Hi.
Yo, what's up? What you doing?
I'm cooking.
All right, check this out. I'm in the middle of shooting a video, right? But I just need I need your expert opinion. How do I sound?
Okay. Super clear.
Oh, yeah? Okay, good. I'm using a Sony speakerphone.
Oh, really? Yeah, you sound clear.
It's a little Bluetooth speaker, but it has a speakerphone feature. But it sounds good.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Okay, good. You sound good, too. All right, well, let me get back to shooting. You better get your warm-up on. It's Evo 2027 tonight.
All right.
All right, I'll talk to you in a minute.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Built-in speakerphone. This is one of the features that I love so much because I like to have these speakers connected to my desk, my laptop at work, and when I'm in the house. So this way now when somebody calls me, I can talk directly into the speaker. Very nice feature. All right, so now let me talk about my second favorite feature, stereo pairing. If you buy two of these, you can pair them up together wirelessly. And here's how easy it is. Now from the first speaker, we're just gonna hold down the Bluetooth pairing button. Do the same thing on the second one. We'll power this up. Hold down the Bluetooth pairing button.
Left, right.
And there it is. Just that simple. Now let's grab some music. Okay, shout out to my nephews for making me this song to test out Bluetooth speakers. Here we go.
Yeah. Trapper. Shout outs to the Google gangsters. Yo, feel like Floss with this new tech. This ain't Mortal Kombat, but you next. Shout out YouTube, got a few checks. Cartier frames, got some new specs.
Look, this red M5 fast as a cheetah. This package is meager. Stuffing bass in back of the speakers. I got a new phone, but wish I was still trapping with beepers. This dude real, but started singing on wax like Aretha.
Yo, never mind that M5, got a new beam. I might get it dirty, but it's too clean. I told Flossy it's a go, got a new team. I might need another phone for this new scheme.
I might need this new cream for this new play. A couple yams in a pot, that's a souffle. This PlayStation's on the block for like 2K. This verse dumb, it hit hard, Bobby Boucher.
Nah, for real, man. Yo, shout outs White Shoes, you heard? Flossy. Mandatory.
Trap, what up,
Trapper.
baby?
Now check this out. If you go to the app, you can also see that the two speakers are paired together. This is pretty dope. All right, so one more thing I want to talk about, battery life. The battery on this speaker lasts 16 hours. So that means you can play this all day at work and then all day after work with no problems. So overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Sony SRS-XB100 a major go. Now, y'all know when I do sponsor videos, I don't like to really give out a ranking unless I feel like that product actually deserves it. And this is one of those products that deserves it. These are going on my desktop setup immediately. Excellent battery life, amazing sound quality. I love the fact that you can pair two of them together wirelessly. And of course, my favorite feature, the speakerphone. This is the perfect companion to have when you travel or for your desktop setup at home. You're going to love these. Anyway, Sony SRS-XB100s. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. Special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meatballs allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Enterprise.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.